guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. So I'll be showing you how I achieved this look. Just stay back and watch. I'm going in with the Zikel Cosmetics Photo Fix Mattifying Face Primer. This is my first time trying this face primer, so I'm going to be applying it all over my face to give me that matte look. Then I'll be going with the facial spray, Mario Badescu facial spray. I just love what this spray does to my skin. Just like that. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer to cover some dark areas, like my dark spots. I'll be using this shade. And I will just pat it on my skin, not on the normal swipe motion, just to cover those areas. Like using the Zikel Pro Coverage High Definition Matte Poreless Foundation. I'll be going in with this Zikel foundation. It's a matte foundation and it's also my first time trying this product. It has SPF 30. So I'm going to be mixing these two shades. So get my shade. So after mixing both foundation, this is what I got. So I'm going to be trying this. And let's see if it's my exact skin shade. The foundation is actually a full coverage foundation. It covers perfectly. I can't find any spots anymore. Apart from the fact that I covered my spots with concealer. The foundation is full coverage. A little of this small amount. You don't need too much to apply. We're going with the Fenty Beauty concealer to highlight and contour. Setting powder all over this part of my face because of my smile lines. I smile a lot and I play a lot. So I'm applying here to reduce the smile lines. So guys, I did my brows off camera. I have an eyebrow tutorial video. You can check the link in the description box. There's a link for an eyebrow tutorial. It's very detailed, so you can go to that link and watch my eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to be going into my eyelids, my crease, my outer V, my inner V, inner corner, with this Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'll be going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil for my eyes, to prime my eyes so the eyeshadow can last longer and can come out pigmented. This helps the eyeshadow to last long, and it makes it very visible. Going in with Maybelline. This mascara is Maybelline. It's called Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Just going to use it too. I like to go in with eyeliner before fixing my lashes. I'll be using the Zikel powder palette. Just blend very well so you don't have any harsh line around your nose. Blend properly.